what's going on, guys? So it is D-Day. We are going drifting. So loaded this all up last night. It is currently 7:42 in the morning. Been driving since about 6 AM, so an hour and 45 so far, and it's about 20 minutes to the track. Cliffy's towing like a champ. Well, you can see he's pretty loaded up. The old rear end is slammed and the front's sitting a bit higher than normal, but we've got a full load of tyres on the back there. I've got tools all in the back of the ute and trailer and skyline in tow, so I'm pretty sure we got everything done. I've got heaps of tools in case anything breaks. Don't really have any spare parts, but there's a parts store close enough so we can maybe run into town or something and grab something. But I was sort of also hoping for a bit of rain, but yeah, nah. So that sucks. That would have given me a few hundred extra horsepower, but we'll just have to go full mad dog instead. Alright, we're here and the sun is out, but it is still cold as balls, and there is nothing but turbo cars everywhere, and mine is not one of those. Alright, so we've got a few laps in. It's going pretty well. Seems to be running pretty sweet. Fuck off. Having a bit of an issue though with the rear brakes, so they seem to be dragging a bit and it's causing, well, you can smell them. It smells like shit. It smells like burnt sausage. So the hydro e-brake was starting to fail me on the last few laps, so I pulled off the track and they were smoking the back brakes, so something's dragging. So I'm going to jack it up, have a quick look and try and get back out there, hopefully suss the issue. Alright, well I've just given them a bit of a bleed up, the back brakes, bled the rear. We'll go back out there just before lunchtime. It's 20 to 12 now, so go back out there, see if it still happens, and if it still happens then I'll pull the whole calipers off and fill the piston with CRC, I guess. Alright, so it's lunch break now, just got a solid run in there, drifting third, so just getting that just transferring that weight, just biffing it. It's still gripping on the back though, my back brakes are still, as you can see, it's not turning very well. So I'm going to pull the caliper out of it now and pull the piston out of the caliper, and hopefully there's grit and shit in the piston. Clean that out, clip it back together, boom, stupid. Alright, I got the caliper off. Got the piston out of it. There's the piston there. I've cleaned it up with a rag a little bit, I haven't got any sandpaper. There's some small fine bits of grit and stuff down in there. I don't know if the camera will focus and let you see that. Oh yeah. So I'm going to just try and scrape that out and then put the piston back in and then bleed it up, throw a wheel on it and fucking see what's good. Alright, so it's 1:30, it's about an hour later. I've taken both calipers off, cleaned them up. So we'll go out for a few more laps now. So these tyres are completely destroyed, and hopefully we don't overheat the brakes this time. The brakes are a bit iffy at the moment though. I didn't really bleed them as well as I should have because I'm running out of brake fluid, so see what it goes like, eh? Alright, we are starting to get that E-banger manging, boy. So we're drifting third, I'm clicking it out of second into third, and it's just fucking still spinning. The brakes are still a bit average. I failed to bleed them up very good, so I'm having to pump the pedal a couple of times before I can rip the hydro. But fuck, it's all coming together now. So the rain didn't open up like I was hoping it would, but fuck it, it's still pulling, mate. So I'll throw another set of tyres on there, and I'll turn on this outside camera for the next run and see if we can actually get a good shot of how much angle I'm getting. Alright, finally popped the tyre. Let's fucking have a look at that. Oh shit. And the gates have opened. Horsepower is coming down right now.
Alright, well, it's the end of the day. It finished at 4. I thought it was going to go till 6, so that's a bit of a bugger. Actually took the last ride in someone else's car, 32 with a 20 dead in it, as you would have seen in the last clip. And I just put new treads on there, well, not new treads, but another set of skidders on there because I wanted to get some more laps and get some more footage, because I was just starting to link the whole course in third, and I was going to get that GoPro going because I was sort of saving that for the end of the day when I'd get some good footage. But so that sort of fucked me. So hopefully I've got enough good footage to make a sick video. And if you're here for the first time and still watching, give us a subscribe, smash like, give it a share, mate. Fuck it, go on, and we'll see you next time, because next Friday, Drift Mitsuri, brother, because that fucker's still a runner. Cheers.